In today's video, I have another haul that I'm bringing to you, and then this haul is sponsored by Shewin. Yes, you heard me right, not Shein, Shewin. And they are sponsoring this video for today. And I got a couple of pieces that I am excited about and I would love to show you. So if you are interested, please stick around. Before I open these packages for Shewin, I first want to tell you a little bit about the company. Shewin is a store that sells women's clothing and accessories at a very affordable price. Shewin is a high quality clothing supplier. Shewin provides wholesale solutions, customization services, and drop shipping options. Whether you're looking for the latest clothing trends or need customization products that match your brand image, Shewin will provide you with professional support that is needed. Shewin has a US warehouse that can achieve fast global shipping, making your orders more convenient and efficient. You can purchase one item, or if you're a reseller, you can reach out to Shewin for drop shipping to your customers. This is a benefit for someone who owns a store, something like on Shopify, or if you're a reseller, where you don't have to hold on to any inventory. Shewin was generous to offer me a discount code to share with you all, and it's Charlotte10. So if you spend $99 or more, you will receive $10 off your purchase. I will link that below, and it will also be in the description. There will also be affiliate links provided for each of the items that I'm going to show you. So let's get started and let me show you what I have. So we're going to start off with my first item, which is the pink puffer sleeve dress. This dress costs $16.93. Let's open it up and see. This is the first time I'm checking this out with you guys. The material feels nice. Not too heavy, nice summery. Okay. You can wear it where it's off the shoulders or on the shoulders. I like that you have that versatility. There are no pockets in this dress. I'll try this on for you. One with puff sleeves here. I really like this. I love how it's cut here. This part, I do like. This is real easy to put on. No zipper or buttons on this dress. It's really nice and comfy. It is also lined here, and you will not be too hot in this for the summer. Throw it on with some nice sandals or some nice heel sandals, a nice bag for an accessory. So this would be a nice dress to wear to a wedding or to wear to brunch. Also wear it where it's off the shoulder. This is the way I would wear it. This is so cute. I like pink. It'll be really nice in black too, but they didn't have that option. But I do like this pink dress. I hope you like it. I hope you would try it. I hope this works for you. Definitely try this dress. It's really comfy and cute. All right. This next dress is a multicolored spaghetti stripes A-line dress. Okay, I wish I had time to iron this before I tried it on. It has the adjustable straps, which is very good. I do not like dresses that don't have adjustable straps in the back. So I really like this one too. It is nice, it's soft. It is lined, no pockets. And it has an adjustable strap here, so you can adjust this. It does have a zipper on the side right here. It's not hard to zip up at all, and that's very important because there are some dresses that I have purchased in the past that cost me a lot of money, and they were very difficult to zip up on the side. So that was an easy zip. Nice straps here that you can adjust and wear a strapless bra with it or no bra. Put this on with some nice, I can see this with some nice sandals, a nice hat, nice little purse. This is really cute. And I can't wait to wear it out. The next dress, which is a black smocked sleeveless short dress. Has my black. So this one doesn't have adjustable straps. It has the straps that you tie, which I thought was really cute. So I do like that. Does not need a zipper to put on. And this is really cute. So these are some nice summer dresses. So this is the next dress. Once again, it has the straps here so you can tie them. They're adjustable. I just have them where they're towards the back versus having it this way. But if you want that more feminine look, you can have the nice bow showing if you chose to. I just chose to keep it back here. And you wear a strapless bra with this, or you may not even need a bra with this one. I do like it a lot. Like I said, I wish it was ironed. I so apologize for the clothes being wrinkled, but I wanted to show you them as soon as they came out. The package, but this is nice. Has my black in it. Nice neutral colors here. I do like this soft mauve color. And then another black right there. And I would throw this on with some nice black sandals. And yeah, that's it. Let me show you the back. Super comfy. Let's see, is it lined? Oh, this is lined also. That's good. Nice, good quality. And it's so soft, so comfortable. So soft. Only thing it's missing is the pockets, but that's okay. But I wish I had my pockets. I'd just be chilling with those pockets. But this is cool. This is nice. So let's show you a little closer up. So let's go on to the next dress. So this next dress I'm opening, nice peach color. This is not my style, but it is a comfortable dress. I do like that the sleeves are rolled up here. I don't like the fact it does not have pockets. It is lined, which so you can't see through, which is great. That adds quality and value to dresses when they're not see-through, in my opinion, because I don't want to walk around with a dress that someone can see on, see through. It's just, that's not the vibe I'm looking for. But this is the dress. Has a nice V-neck cut here. Now, of course, I would just throw this on with some nice sandals, but in this situation, I would only wear this for me. I would wear it to the beach or to the pool and just throw it on as a cover-up. I do like this dress a lot. It was substituted because one of my items were not available and they sent this instead, but this is still really nice and good quality and soft and comfortable, and that's important. So when you're looking for a dress, and I know you want to find something that, if it is an affordable price, you want to make sure you're going to get your wear out of it. And you can definitely get your wear out of this dress here. And don't be like me. You can definitely wear this, maybe your style, and you can wear this out with some nice sandals, some nice heels, a nice bag, and there you go. So this is cute. The next item we're going to open here, this is the Rose Red V wrap bubble sleeve ruched bodycon dress. Okay, so this one I was not going to get because it was pink. It's pink, but I'm so glad I got this dress. This is so cute, and I was concerned about the quality. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's so soft, so comfy. Oh my. Now, I would wear some shapewear under here. There's a little button here that you would close up. Let's see, it's not that hard. I really don't even think this button was needed, to be honest with you. That button is there. I don't think that button was needed, but it's there. You have a nice ruched puffy sleeve, ruched on the side. I like the pink. Let's see, I'm gonna put my hair back so you can get a better idea of this neckline. You can also wear it off the shoulder a little too, like that other dress. There you go. I wouldn't want pockets on this one. It's not a pocket type of dress. I had to put shoes on for this one for you guys. So I hope you like these dresses I selected. I hope you like them. Please leave me a note in the comments. Let me know which one is your favorite. I know this is my favorite. I have one other favorite, but let me know which ones are your favorites. And I will leave the links below for you to order yours. I'm loving this. It's so soft.